Could Trent draw a picture of a green wing macaw? Oh, you did that viral drawing for your cousin Janessa.
I don't seem to be able to zoom in. That's really pretty. Nice.
Very good macaw.
That was a very good macaw.
Nice job, Trent. Do you know what a Hot Wheel car is?
Yes.
Those little play cars?
Yes.
Happy Mama 1015 says, she'd like to see a polar bear in a Hot Wheel car. My son would love that.
Janet says you're her favorite artist.
Good job.
That's very good.
You don't really like to draw
Yeah,
cars, do you, buddy?
but that's good.
That's pretty good.
I like it.
Is that the steering wheel?
Yes.
Yes. Nice.
Gorilla playing a saxophone? You want to try that one?
Yes.
Gorilla playing the saxophone.
That sounds like something from
I lost who that's from.
Sing or whatever.
Yeah,
And you don't know where that came from, too, do you?
I do. Hold on, I'm looking. Go ahead, Betty. Gorilla playing the saxophone. Nah, I can't find it. Hey, if that was you, there's so many. I don't know.
I'll see if
I want to say Facebook, but I don't know. This is like the saxophone that Jack Black's band. That
Oh, yeah, that-
Jack Black plays.
Good
job, buddy.
He just sees
You
it
did
and
so
does it.
good.
Like and subscribe.